Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, unang-una sa lahat, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga daddies out there. And what better way to celebrate it than to do a challenge? The I Do My Husband's Makeup Challenge. Excited ka na ba? Excited na siya, hindi lang halata kasi medyo shy siya eh. First time niyang mag-appear sa YouTube channel ko, so show him some love. Click the like button and mag-comment kayo sa ilalim kung nagustuhan niyo ba yung itsura sa endings. If you wanna know how it turned out in the end, please keep on watching. So first off, tatanggalin natin yung oil sa face niya using this Mumuso Makeup Cleansing Wipes. Gagamit tayo ng primer. Rimmel Stay Matte na primer.
So, para saan yan?
Para mas kumapit yung makeup. Hanggang bukas, hindi pa rin siya talaga huhulas.
Ayaw mo lang masyadong galingan. Baka mas maganda pa ako sa'yo.
After ng primer, maglalagay na tayo ng foundation. This is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum. We're going to apply it using a Real Technique sponge. Tapos sa aura ka sa dulo ah.
What?
Di na kita wiwigan eh.
Thank you pa pala ako dapat. No?
Ay, may bigote, kitang-kita. Pati leeg para pantay. Grabe, ang gastos mo naman sa foundation. Nagbabalat na yung mukha mo. Nag-beach kami sa Cebu kaya medyo nagbabalat-balat yung mukha. Next, gamit tayo ng concealer para i-conceal yung mga dark under eye niya at saka yung mga imperfections niya. We're going to use this Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. Yung shade niya is light beige. So magko-conceal tayo and at the same time, i-highlight natin yung mga high points ng face niya. Yung sa taas. Hindi, yung mata lang. Going to blend it using the same sponge. Because Daddy looks so silly. And then next, para sa eyeshadow, gamitin natin to Lancome Color Focus. So we're going to use this shade. We're going to use this small brush. Basain lang natin siya ng konting aloe vera mist para mas kumapit lang yung kulay ng eyeshadow sa mata niya. Party look ang gagawin natin. Siyempre, hindi yung no makeup look. Dapat talaga yung medyo pang diva. Nakaantok, no?
Imagine mo, ginagawa mo to everyday.
Pero hindi naman ganito ka-heavy makeup ang ginagawa ko. Pa natin yung parts ng kilay. Mahirapan tayo mag-shade later. Marami na. Tayo na lang hindi. Gamitin natin yung sponge. And let's continue blending itong eyeshadow. And then, kukuha tayo nitong shade na to. Lagyan natin sa outer V. Using the same brush. Mahirap pala mag-makeup ng Monolid. Naked Urban Decay Basics palette, we're going to use this shade. Using the same brush na lang din. And then, let's get a clean brush just to blend it all in. Like this. For the eyeliner, we're going to use this Sansan Waterproof Eyeliner Pen in the shade Black. So, since monolid siya, kapalan natin yung eyeliner.
So, kumusta naman ang batting rate nito?
Maganda yung kala, Ove Trends.
So, ano nangyari?
Maganda yung kinalabasan. Grabe yung kapal na nilagay ko, hindi pa masyadong kita. Ganon. For the kilay, we're going to use the Miniso Brow Lash EX24. Ngayon mo natin kilay habang pinapatuyo natin yung eyeliner. Brush natin para natural ang itsura. Ang ganda!
Kinakabahan ako lalo.
Later, it's gonna be a surprise, Jordan. Nakatawa yung kilay mo, daling i-shape. Pak! Ang ganda ng kilay mo. Tatingin ka sa akin. Sige, diretso ganyan.
Yan yun.
Sige, buka mo pa. Buksan mo pa. Yan na yun. Next, maglalagay tayo ng lashes. I'm going to use the Taiwan lashes. Lagay tayo ng glue. Back of our hand.
Tatanggal naman yun eh. No?
Bukas.
Ha?
Siyempre, gugulo nga natin eh.
Anong klaseng glue yan? Elmer's.
Hindi. Jewel. You're so pretty.
Ano sabihin ng anak natin?
Tingnan natin kung magustuhan niya yung finished product.
Nag-enjoy ka naman.
Sobra. Tingin lang straight sa akin. Oh, ang ganda! Go use I think this is Maybelline. It's just a black eyeliner. Let's put it bottom lash line. 3/4 lang ng outer eye. And then we're gonna blend it in. Get some more of these. And then, kuha tayo no naked palette again. Black. Wow!
Baka insecure ka na ba?
Let's just soften a little yung nasa ilalim. Let's go back to this shade right here. Yung wash of color na ginamit natin doon sa upper eye.
Ang saya mo eh, no?
A mix of the two. And then, let's go back to the sponge, yung ginamit natin kanina for the concealer, para mag-clean up lang din tayo sa ilalim. And then, let's go bake everything using a Nichido Creamy Glow. Okay, after that, we're going to contour. Let's use this sleek face form contouring and blush palette in the shade Fair 372. Ito, yung contour color na to. Gamit lang tayo ng brush. Malapit mo na makita ang bago mong anyo. Let's dust off the bake. Tingis taas. Lagyan tayo ng highlight. And then last, for the lips. Anong gusto mong kulay? Gusto mo ba ikaw pumili?
Parehas na lang tayo ganyan.
Ano tayo? Sige. Ano yung ginamit ko? Ito. Shut Up and Kiss Me Moisturizing Lippy in the shade Naughty and Nice. Ang ganda ng lips. Angelina Jolie lips. Ang ganda. Are you ready for your final look? Sali. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan?
Hindi nagbabalat kasi yung mukha mo eh. Sige. Ba't ganun? Hindi nagbabalat yung mukha mo. Alam ko na. Oh, ang ganda. Sige, tingnan mo. Diba? Ang ganda. Kamukha mo si Paloma. Namit ka na niya. Ang ganda. Nagbabalat yung ilong niya, kaya may ganyang puti-puti. Pero ang ganda, diba? Let's call in the judge. Jordan! You look at Daddy. What do you think of Daddy's face?
It's like mommy's face.
Who's prettier, mommy or daddy?
A daddy because you makeup.
So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Kung gusto niyo na gumawa pa ako ng mga ganitong challenges or mga ganitong videos, just comment down below. And if you want to keep up with what I do every day, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's Lalane's thing. Pareho. That's it. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and all the daddies out there. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video or next challenge. Bye! Happy Father's Day, Daddy! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day.
Bye! Meron siyang 2 variants. So, this is the Protect and White one, and this one is the Protect and Moisture. This one is actually cheaper than this one. This one is for